Yeah. Hi, I am Dr. Nidhi Marathe. I have a small farm in Sangay where we grow things and we have lots of animals there. Leslie is a close friend and he introduced us to the beautiful world of bees. And we came here for this workshop because I have taken a personal lesson from Leslie before, and his approach is towards having more practical experience than just going into theory. And it he works with the actual problem a beekeeper would face initially when we start, so that all these confusions and questions are addressed. And then when we actually went to the farm to see the bees and we handled that, it's like you're into a different world. You're not among humans. You're actually into nature, and it's amazing to be with them. The buzz gives you a different sort of high. It's not what you experience in every farming venture or every type of thing or a study that you experience in life. So it's a one time or a one unique sort of experience. Everybody should at least have it um, sometime in their life. So
So, what are one or two of the key takeaways that you got from the session? Maybe theory or practical. What are key takeaways?
I have I have attended workshops before about beekeeping, and the thing was that like I will tell you about one thing, that you divide, you make a um, new brood, or you divide the hive. So things were never clear, that when you need to do that or how you need to do that. And if you're installing a super, I still till today didn't know that what was the objective of installing a super on a mother brooder. So I was always confused that how am I going to do this before I know that why am I doing this. So things are explained in a practical way, step by step. And the best thing is that here the instructor was not dodging questions. He was addressing each and every question was answered, and it was pretty well explained.
I attended the Honey Fest that happened at Old Goa, and that's where I met Mr. Leslie, and I was very inspired by his methodology with beekeeping. And I happened to attend his session today. Really very interesting, with all the tips and tricks that he would provide for beekeeping, the production, everything that he's learned, he's giving away in such a very lovely way for us, the youth of tomorrow, to deal with a situation where we should be saving and conserving bees. A really insightful and inspiring session, along with the stingless that I never knew were present here in Goa. So it's really inspiring and a very, very amazing session.
So, what were one or two of the key takeaways that you would take back with you? Like, what are a few things that you learned?
So we learned about how to handle the frames, the bees, as well as looking at early signs of, let's say, swarming, taking care of the bees, and making sure that we are also aware of the different seasons, the different patterns, as well as the flowers and the trees that we need around. It's not just about the bees, but also about the environment that they're in.
But welcome to Cavelosim, a beautiful village. What is good thing to be happy about it? In 2000, in 2020, 21, something, yeah, 2021, 22. I was a biodiversity chairman, and Leslie came to me and he said, "We want to do honey production, something about honey." I was मातशें हें जालो आनी हांव जाणा वयर रुटाक आसता तो मला हानी आनी करूंक शकता. So I said to him, let's try. But I was not so sure. But believe me, what I saw today and what I was thinking in 2020 is a big difference. Today I must say Leslie is all over Goa, all over news, and a lot of people find it very surprising. And you came here today to attend this honeybee, production course. Today I'm sure you got some good knowledge. And this honey, what you produce is very pure. Is supplying, and this can make end of the day it is to make your living. You can jagpa shakta. It is like a small scale business at home. I have my eco resort. He will take you there where we first started to keep the beehives. So once again, I am very happy. I want only one request to spread the word, and you give a number of Leslie. So whoever was interested, because it's a very in my farm I see how pollination started, how the bees are growing. It's unique. You've seen here. So this is something which is you cannot learn on computer. This is not something which you can learn on media. This you do it practical. So once again, thank you, and I hope we had a wonderful session. Thank you.